What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's about 9:15 on a Friday morning, and I'm headed to the studio to do some recording on the upcoming Dunlap and Mabe project, so super excited about that. And just finished dropping off the kids at school, so I'm gonna hit the road to meet up with the guys, and we're gonna head to the studio. Morning. You ready to lay down some tracks?
Welcome to the jungle.
Yeah? Morning.
Morning.
How's it going?
Great.
Ready to lay down some tracks?
We're gonna lay down some killer tracks.
Oh yeah. Alright, so just had a slight change in plans. There's snow in the forecast, kids are getting out of school early, so we're in the middle of scrambling to figure this out. But in the meantime, we're just going to jump into recording and get as much as we can done. But we have coffee. I need to grab mine because I'm super under-caffeinated right now for this situation. Alright, song number 1. Here we go. Alright, we made some good progress on recording. The school closing situation has sort of resolved itself, so we have more time to record than originally thought, so that's good. But we're taking a quick break to grab some food, then we're going to get back at it. So we went specifically to a chicken place and I got a corn dog. I'm not sure how to feel about that. I feel like I broke some sort of rule. Did I mess up, Alex?
Corn dogs are good.
They're good? Their corn dogs are good. What about the chicken?
It's fine.
What about you, Jack? You think I messed up using corn dog? Yes.
This is sweater number 2 of my three winter sweaters.
South Park, the purple.
Alright, solid day of work. The album is very close to being finished. Meanwhile, the snow is finally upon us. The nor'easter has made its way to Virginia. So now we're headed west to Thomas, West Virginia to play a gig at the Purple Fiddle. Should be fun. Hopefully we'll drive out of the storm. Alright, so we made it to the Purple Fiddle. Just did a sound check, and the roads are quite treacherous. We're actually kind of wondering if we're going to have to stay the night or not. We're going to check the roads closer to when we would be heading out. But yeah, it's a good time so far. Just keeping an eye on the weather, and the show starts in about an hour. Hey Jack.
Yes.
How would you describe our drive here?
Treacherous.
That's literally what I just said. Do you think we'll leave here tonight?
I highly doubt it.
had an awesome show, and we are still trying to figure out if we're leaving here tonight or not. But I'm going to hang out with Jack because he's trying to do some nighttime photography here on the street. You getting a good shot?
What do you think about that?
Looks good. So earlier I was out here and I saw the largest icicle I've ever seen, like ever. It looks like it's been accumulating for like a year. Look at that. What is that? It's huge. It's like a stalactite. We're gonna risk it and head home tonight. And I think I'm driving. This might be the last video you ever see from me.
Well, if they see it, that means you got home and edited it, so you lived.
I don't need your logic right now.
I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. Live dangerously. You just basically go on this road until you turn left.
Yeah.
3 hours later.
I'm freezing.
All right, treacherous journey back. Had to drive slow the whole way. It's 2:30 a.m., but we made it. This vlog ends here. See you next time.